Welcome to the introduction to the Traffio app. This is your portal to the details you will require to perform your duties as a traffic controller. It is also the portal where you will receive and accept jobs via your mobile device.
Download the app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. It will show up as an icon on your mobile device. Transfer the icon to your home screen.
When you onboard as a new active employee, you will receive or create a username within Traffio. Once your profile is created, you will receive an email to your nominated email address with a password. Log in to the Traffio app using the username and password to activate your account.
Receiving job allocation requests. Once Active Traffic Management have booked a job for a client, they will allocate resources to that job, then send allocation requests via the Traffio app. This will appear as a notification on your mobile device, or make sure you have notifications turned on for the app.
You will notice that the Traffio icon now has a notification icon attached at the top right of the icon. Tap on the icon and open the app.
When the Traffio app has been opened, you will notice it opens into a weekly calendar format. It will show boxes next to the corresponding dates that will either be blue, green, or red.
The blue icon. You will notice that the word requests is in blue above the icon. This means this is a job request. Tap on the icon and click either accept or decline. If declining, contact traffic management before clicking this.
The green icon. This will show green once you have accepted the job.
The red icon. This will show red only when a job has been cancelled.
You will notice that each of these boxes has information that is relevant to the job and is set up to conveniently give you that information at a glance. More detailed information is contained within the job allocation once you enter it. This information includes depot start time and approximate finish time, job number, the name of the client, which may include the depot they are from.
Once all traffic controllers have clicked accept on the job, you will notice the page shows a message above the map saying, green to go.
You will also receive a notification on your mobile device showing the same message.
Map link. You will notice a map with a drop pin with the Open in Maps link on this page. When you tap on the Open Maps link, you will be taken to your Maps app with the precise location of the job location or client-requested meeting locations.
Below the map are the address of the job and depot start time and approximate finish time.
Once you have opened the job page, you will see three categories at the top: Details, Docs, and Forms.
Details. This will show the relevant details for the job, such as booking. It shows start time on site, but this is different than the start time at depot, and approximate finish times of the job. Job number. This is automatically allocated to the job. Depot. This is Active's depot location. Client order, if provided by client. Billing code, if provided by client. Client. This is the name and depot of the client. Job title. This shows what type of works are applicable for the day. It may also show other relevant information or requirements for the day's work. Make sure to read this prior to leaving the depot. Project. This will contain the project name and sometimes its general location. Description. May contain details of the day's work. Location note. Sometimes clients will specify particulars on meeting you in a specific location.
Crew and resources. In this section, it shows all the crew and resources allocated to the job. You will see the registration number of the vehicles allocated and the individual traffic controllers assigned to each vehicle. It also shows which driver is assigned. Driver will be in brackets next to the person's name. And who the team leader is, look for the TL icon attached to one of the team. It will also remind you of the depot start time.
Contacts. This will be the client on-site contact and their phone number.
Notes. Notes relevant to the job can sometimes be found here if necessary.
Docs. This page contains all of the relevant documents for the day's job. It contains documents like Active Company SWMS, PTL Types 1 and 2 SWMS, RoadTech PTSS Notice, instruction manuals for both PTL Type 1 and 2 traffic lights, TGSs, and TMPs, drug and alcohol policies. This list is not exhaustive and there may be site-specific documents attached if necessary.
Forms. This is where the relevant forms for the job are located. Most of these forms will be filled out by the team leader. SWMS and Pre-Start Toolbox will need to be signed by all staff prior to commencement of the works.
There are exceptions such as the vehicle pre-start form which needs to be completed daily by the assigned driver of each vehicle prior to leaving the depot. There are also the staff input form, minor reportable incidents form and either of the incident report forms which can be filled out by any staff member if necessary.
Further features of the Traffio app.
At the top of the page, you will notice your initials in an orange circular icon. Tap on this to log in, log out, or add another account.
At the bottom of the page are some key features of the app. This includes the Jobs page, the Forms page, your wallet, the Leave page, and settings.
Jobs page. Access your jobs on this page by clicking on the particular job you are after. You can access any jobs that you have been assigned to or have completed. Dockets can be viewed on completed jobs so you can check against your worked hours when filling in your weekly timesheet.
Forms. This is where forms can be added by traffic management and can be accessed without being linked to jobs.
Wallet. This is your digital wallet and contains digital versions of inductions, VOCs, traffic controller and TMI tickets, first aid and CPR certificates, driver's license, white card.
Click on the document you wish to view, then download to see the relevant document.
Leave. This is where you go to apply for leave. Click on the date you want to start your leave.
You will then be sent to the Leave Request page. Choose a leave type from the menu. Choose either Paid Sick Leave, Unpaid Sick Leave, Leave Without Pay or Annual Leave. Enter the reason that you are requesting leave followed by the date, time you are requesting the leave from R2. You can also set a limit to specific shifts, which is useful for specifying your work preference over an extended period.
Settings. The Settings page has the following sections: General, change password and shared device. Notifications. This should be ticked green so that you receive notifications to your mobile device. Appearance, jobs layout and theme. Updates. Check for updates, release notes, and restart app.